so you're holding very good. Okay, check your first finger and first line, okay? Let go, first, let go. Okay, ready, go. So, A. Now press 1 on the first line on the A string. Let go. Now press all 3 fingers down the D string. 1, 2, 3. Make sure the 2 and 3 are next to each other. 3, 3. Let go of the 3. Yes. Now press hard. 2. Let go of the 2. Let go of everything.
Oh, really?
Let's start from the D string. Play D twice. 0. Then move on to the A string. Then 1 on the A string. Let go. Make sure your thumb is by the first line, okay? Then have all 1, 2, 3 lined up. Make sure you press down firmly. Then 3, 2, 1. So you need to practice multiple times is pressing on the D string. So there's a first finger and the second finger has a little space.
Okay.
So, and the second to third finger, no space. How straight my thumb is. So in order to press, okay?
Oh,
So,
okay.